Good evening, and welcome to the CINFIN Securities Day-End Market Roundup. Here's how the Colombo Stock Exchange closed today. The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, ended the session at 21,148.71 points, down 80.43 points, or 0.38% from the previous trading day. Meanwhile, the S&P SL 20 Index, which tracks the market's most liquid blue-chip companies, closed at 5,946.03 points, declining 15.37 points, or 0.26% according to today's market summary. Market turnover update. Today's total market turnover stood at LKR 1.09 billion. Crossings contributed LKR 306.50 million to the day's turnover, reflecting notable institutional activity. The companies that recorded the highest turnover during today's session were Haley's plc and Hatton National Bank plc. Meanwhile, the total market capitalization of the Colombo Stock Exchange closed at LKR 7,701.37 billion. Turning to investor activity, domestic investors continued to dominate the market today. Total domestic purchases amounted to 1,065.85 million rupees, accounting for 97% of total purchases, while foreign purchases stood at 28.33 million rupees, representing 3%. On the selling side, domestic sales totaled 1,065.14 million rupees, also making up 97% of total sales. Foreign sales were 29.04 million rupees, accounting for the remaining 3%. Overall, foreign investors recorded a net foreign outflow of 0 rupees. 71 million during today's trading session. Moving on to the top gainers of the day, Industrial Asphalts, Ceylon, plc emerged as the strongest performer, recording the highest percentage gain. Sarvodaya Development Finance plc also posted a notable increase, followed by Mercantile Shipping Company plc. Kahawati Plantations plc and Lankum Developments plc also closed the session among the day's top-performing stocks, reflecting positive investor interest across the market. Turning to the top losers of the day, Agstar plc recorded the sharpest decline during the trading session. Singhi Hospitals plc and the Colombo Fort Land and Building plc also experienced notable losses. Amana Takaful plc and CM Holdings plc were also among the day's weakest performing counters, reflecting selling pressure across selected stocks. Moving on to the top positive contributors to the ASPI, Carson Cumberbatch plc made the strongest positive contribution to the index. Sampath Bank plc also provided significant support to the market. Sarvodaya Development Finance plc and Distilleries Company of Sri Lanka plc further contributed to the upward movement, while Industrial Asphalts, Ceylon, plc also supported the overall market performance. Turning to the top negative contributors to the ASPI, Aitken Spence plc and Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc exerted notable downward pressure on the index during the trading session. ACL Cables plc and Richard Pearce and Company plc also contributed negatively to the market's overall performance, while Digital Mobility Solutions Lanka plc recorded the largest negative contribution among the selected counters. That concludes today's market roundup. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates from CINFIN Securities.